So major differences between the tactical and the base version.
So some of them jump right out at you, right?
Here we are, SHOT Show 2023 in the booth with BRG-USA. You guys probably know about that BRG9. What's now the version 1 anyway. The version 2 is out, the tactical version as well. Going to talk a little bit about that coming up next. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get him in here. Get in here, Ken. Get in here. It's Ken with BRG-USA. How are you, man?
Good to see you.
SHOT Show, buddy.
We're excited. Are you?
Totally.
Can't tell.
And it's really cool. We got the Turks here with you. Or
we
at least
have
they were at one time. Some pretty cool dudes. From what I can tell, I don't speak their language.
They wander off a lot and find other Turks to congregate with.
Well, I would think that would be about normal, right?
That's right. That's right.
But it's really cool to meet those guys who are, of course, building the cool BRG line of stuff. So let's talk a little bit about version 2 and how that version come about. Like, was it the brainchild of you, or what
I'm not smart enough for that. The Gen 2 is absolutely just a next level evolution of the Gen 1. So we rolled this out last year. Obviously, you did some coverage on it,
right.
Did some good testing on it. And what we did was listen to what people said for the past year.
No.
Yeah. There were 4 main things people asked for, and we worked really closely with the factory. Like you mentioned, the CEO is here, our international rep, Matei, is here, and we rolled all 4 of those changes in and came up with what we think is just a fantastic firearm.
Right. Let's talk about the base version 2.0, I guess you could call it.
You got it.
First, and then move to that tactical version.
Great. So the first thing that you notice when you pick up that Gen 2, feel the grip on that guy.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful compared to now the one's fine, but if you like a little more grippier grip, this is it.
Yep.
For sure. Feels great.
We worked hard on that. And then optic ready. You know, you probably saw as many comments on the web as I did.
2023, brother.
A lot of people want to run a red.
Gotta be, yeah.
So it's optic ready. It'll ship with 4 plates. You can run whatever your favorite optic is.
And those plates are $30 a piece extra, right?
Included in the kit,
What?
baby.
No.
Included in the kit. You know it. Then obviously for our left-handed shooters or for IDPA people who want to shoot off-handed, we made this an ambi slide release.
Oh, okay.
So we already had the ambi mag release, but now slide release. And you remember that perfect touch? I think I saw a video where you said it might not be quite perfect. Oh, tell me that's not perfect.
This is before. Okay, I'll be honest. Before it was like 99.7. Now it's like 99.9.
Round up, it's perfect.
8. Right.
I love it so much because you can even reach up without changing your grip too much.
Yeah.
You can even drop it with your index finger. Not bad at all, right?
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Very
so
good.
then the third major change, you know, we talked about the grip, the optic ready, the ambi slide, that mag capacity. So last year you got 2 16-round mags in the kit. This year you get 2 18-round mags in the kit.
$30 extra a piece.
Not $1 extra.
Well, I'll be. How about that?
All included.
What a deal. It's like, but wait, there's more, right? The one I got to shoot over here, I guess this is one of them here, right?
That's the no, that's the Gen 2 with an optic.
That's the Gen 2. That's the one that I shot, yeah.
Okay.
In the booth was the Gen 2 with
no,
mine was the tactical. You're right. Mine was the tactical with the optic. Ken's right, I'm wrong. I digressed to the BRG expert here.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong all the time.
There you go, the tactical. I shot the tactical. That's why I thought I was right, but I was wrong. I don't shoot the tactical.
I don't know what you shoot.
I don't know why I ended up shooting the tactical.
What is it you call yourself?
I don't know.
FUD?
The FUD? Yeah. So the tactical. Well, it looks cool. That's for sure. It looks cool. So major differences between the tactical and the base version.
So some of them jump right out at you, right? You got the lightning cuts.
Oh, yeah.
Ported slide, some would call it.
Now that's lightning as in weight, not like sparks fly out the side of it, correct?
Correct. So it lightens the weight, but it also helps dissipate heat for those guys that are running courses and need that heat off the barrel quicker.
Right.
We've also got raised sights here. So we are going to be able to co-witness in the lower third of that sight window there for the guys that do run an optic.
Gotcha.
So if it fails, batteries run out, whatever, you're not dead in the water, you're still in the fight.
Right, can keep going. Yeah.
You got it.
And then threaded barrel, did we talk about that?
You got the threaded barrel, it's suppressor ready, it's a standard 1/2x28.
Cannot be tactical without a threaded barrel.
You got it. One of the things I love, you know, it's full ambi just like the Gen 2 with the slide release. It's full ambi with the mag release just like the Gen 1 and Gen 2, but it's got the added perk that you can pick which side it protrudes a little more. So if you like to eject with the thumb or the finger, if you're a lefty or a righty, you can make that stick out left side or right
work.
side.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
And then obviously you got the beveled mag well, so you got fast mag insertion. And on top of the 2 18-round mags you get, you also get a third mag in this kit, which is a 20-round.
Well, the 21's got to be $100 extra.
Nope. Comes in the kit.
What?
In the kit.
What?
In the kit. Last thing we didn't talk about is that trigger.
The trigger.
So the Gen 2's already got a great trigger. It's short take up, it's crisp, it's a short reset. This is even lighter weight trigger with an even quicker reset.
It is. I would agree it is. Again, the other was a 99 point, and let's say 6. This is a 99.99, probably 9.
I'm not dumb enough to call it the perfect trigger because everybody has different trigger legs.
Right.
That's a pretty darn good trigger.
Well, and when you're talking trigger pull, this is one of the things out there. People say, oh, it's got a great trigger. Well, what are you talking about? You're talking about the weight, the pull, the reset?
This thing, I think, is the best blend of all.
I think it is, too.
A little bit of uptake, nice crisp wall, short break, short reset. It's tactile and audible, so you feel it and you hear it when it resets.
Bring it in. I think we can hear the click if we do this. So there was the trigger pull. Drop that. Here's the reset. Maybe that picked up on the mic. So
hope so.
Yeah, had a chance to shoot this in the portable range, the mobile range, which is an awesome feature for SHOT Show, by the way. My first time out there in that.
Yeah, it was new to SHOT Show. We were really so fortunate. Our booth is here, and the mobile range is literally at the end of the aisle.
Literally out the door.
That worked out great.
So I'm standing here and looking at the awesome box that these come in, and there's something special about what comes in the box, isn't there?
Well, it's not the breath mints. Those are just for the expo.
Well, only a few of us need those, but yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, so this is the tactical setup. You're going to get 2 18-round mags with the load assist. We moved the cleaning kit all into a zipper bag this year, so you get all the brushes and the oil and the cloth there.
Very cool.
Still get the extra back straps to make sure it fits your hand right and the trigger lock. And then we did 4 slots for your optic plates that are not in there right now, but that's where they'll be. And then we also did some cutouts so that if you are running some additional gear, like the optic, it's already ready for that in the case.
Yeah. And all of that at the extra cost and low price of...
Man, that's all MSRP. It's all included.
Wow.
The MSRP on this thing, $499.
Crushing it.
$499.
Crushing it, man.
We're trying.
Happy to see it. Thanks for talking with us. Appreciate it. If you got questions, of course, drop them down below. That's it from SHOT Show 2023 with Ken and BRG USA. Remember, till next time, don't forget, change fire freedom.